Stripe Billing Honest Review, Watch Before Using. If you're considering using Stripe Billing for your subscription or invoicing needs, watch this review first. Links to the product are in the description below. Let's dive straight into the features, pros, cons, and who this tool is best suited for. Stripe Billing is an extension of Stripe's powerful payment processing platform. It's specifically designed for businesses that operate on subscription models or need recurring billing solutions. One of its standout features is its automation capabilities, allowing you to handle recurring invoices, manage customer subscriptions, and automatically follow up on unpaid bills. The platform also integrates seamlessly with tools like QuickBooks, Xero, and popular CRMs, making it perfect for companies already invested in those ecosystems. For developers, Stripe Billing offers excellent APIs to build custom billing solutions. On the flip side, if you're non-technical, Stripe provides an intuitive dashboard with pre-built templates for creating invoices or managing subscription plans effortlessly. Another highlight is the global reach. Stripe Billing supports multiple currencies and payment methods, including credit cards, ACH, and even wallets like Apple Pay. However, there are a few caveats. Stripe's pricing includes a 0.5 to 0.8% fee on recurring charges, which can add up quickly for businesses with thin margins. Also, while Stripe is easy to use, its full potential is unlocked when paired with some coding skills, so it might not be the best choice for those who prefer plug-and-play tools. Who is this for? Stripe Billing is ideal for SaaS companies, e-commerce stores with subscription models, and even service providers with recurring clients. If you want a robust, scalable billing solution that's developer-friendly and globally compatible, this is it. But if simplicity and lower fees are your priority, consider exploring alternatives. If you found this review helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It not only helps us grow, but ensures more people get clear and actionable insights like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.